You are unnecessarily upset. ته هسې بې فایدې خفه یې. You are unnecessarily upset. My mother makes very good food. زما مور ښکلی خوراک پخوي. My mother makes very good food. He was sitting in front of his father. هغه د خپل پلار مخې ته ناست و. He was sitting in front of his father. Take care of yourself. خپل خیال ساته. Take care of yourself. The train will arrive on its own time. ریلګاډی به په خپل وخت راځي. The train will arrive on its own time. You can go if you want. که ته غواړې نو تلی شي. You can go if you want. I will see you after some time. زه به لږ ساعت پس تا سره میلاو شم. I will see you after some time. یا تاسو داسې هم ویلی شئ زه به لږ ساعت پس تا سره ملاقات وکم. I know you. زه تا پیژنم. I know you. How do you know me? ته ما څنګه پیژنې. How do you know me? I have a 4 o'clock flight. په 4 بجې مجاز دی. I have a 4 o'clock flight. I will leave soon. زه به زر وځم. I will leave soon. He is a very loyal man. هغه ډیر وفادار سړی دی. He is a very loyal man. May you live long. عمر دې ډیر شه. May you live long. I will drive the car today. गाड़ी به نن زه چلوم. I will drive the car today. I am not feeling sleepy. ما له خوب نه راځي. I am not feeling sleepy. Are you still sleepy? آیا ته اوس هم په خوب کې یې. Are you still sleepy? I am feeling very sleepy. ما له ډیر خوب راغلی دی. I am feeling very sleepy. The truth always seems better. رښتیا عمري تارخه لګي. The truth always seems better. He is very fair. هغه ډیر ښکلی دی. He is very fair. How do you eat so much? ته دومره څنګه خوراک کوې. How do you eat so much? You are so dull. ته ډیر ناراست یې. You are so dull. You do strange things. ته عجیبه کارونه کوې. You do strange things. Learn to help others. د نورو مدد کول زده کړه. Learn to help others. Have some pity. لږ ترس خو وکړه. Have some pity. I will come in a while. زه به په لږ ساعت کې راشم. I will come in a while. Do you want to stay here today? نن دلته پاتې کېده غواړې کو. Do you want to stay here today? Stay within your limits. په خپل حدود کې اوسه. Stay within your limits. Come fast. زر راځه. Come fast. Learn to change with the time. د وخت سره بدلیده زده که. Learn to change with the time. Time teaches everything. وخت هر څه ور زده کوي. Time teaches everything. Learn how to talk to elders. د لویو سره خبرې کول زده کړه. Learn how to talk to elders. Always respect the elders. تل د مشرانو عزت کوه. تل یعنی همیش، یا تاسو داسې ویلی شئ همیش د مشرانو عزت کوه. Always respect the elders. It will cost you expensive. تا ته به دا په بیه ګران پریوزي. It will cost you expensive. Keep working hard. سخت محنت کوه. Keep working hard. Apologize to him. د هغه نه معافي وغواړه. Apologize to him. I need an answer. زما جواب پکار دی. I need an answer. Heard your health is not well. وادي اوریدو ستاسې خط ښه نه دی. Heard your health is not well. Can you talk me now? آیا ته ما سره اوس خبرې کولی شې؟ Can you talk me now? I don't want to talk to you. زه نه غواړم چې تا سره خبرې وکم. I don't want to talk to you. Now there is nothing left to talk about. وس پکې د خبرې کولو څه پاتې نه دي. Now there is nothing left to talk about. You should have thought of this before. دا خو مخکې تاله سوچ کول پکار وو. You should have thought of this before. Say whatever you want to say. چې څه ویل غواړې ووایه. Say whatever you want to say. I can't say yes to this. زه دې خبرې ته ښه نشم کوي. I can't say yes to this. You will have to understand this. تاله به په دې ځان پوهولی. You will have to understand this. He has become arrogant. هغه مغرور شوی دی. He has become arrogant. About his money. د خپلو پیسو معامله کې. About his money. I am getting nervous. زه یریږم. I am getting nervous. This had to happen. دا خو پیښېده وو. This had to happen. Behave yourself. په تمیز سره خبره کوه. Behave yourself. Listen carefully. غوږونه کولاو کا واوره. Listen carefully. You deserve it. ته د دې لایق یې. You deserve it. You walk away from here. ته د دې ځای نه ځه. You walk away from here. I made a mistake. ما نه غلطي وشوه. I made a mistake. Please forgive me. مهرباني وکړه ما معاف کا. Please forgive me. Do it right. دا صحیح وکړه. Do it right. I hate you. زما ته بدی شي. I hate you. Drop him home. هغه کور پورې پرېږده. Drop him home. Are you in your senses? په هوش کې خو یې که نه. Are you in your senses? He goes. هغه ځي. He goes. Don't make fun of him. هغه پورې ټوکې مه کوه. Don't make fun of him. د دې نورو ویډیوګانو نه ځان خبرولو لپاره د چینل PE Everyone سبسکرایب کړئ او د بیل د آیکن آل نوټیفیکیشن کلیک کړئ. نورې چې کومې ویډیوګانې راځي نو تاسو به ترې په وخت خبریږئ. Thanks for watching.